Hi guys and girls, I just wanted to say good night and may you have a blessed night, evening or morning, whatever it is there by you. Here in South Africa it's 9:30 and I just wanted to share and to say that a few fun facts about myself. Fact number one, I went to private school at the age of 6. Transkei Umtata, Eastern Cape. And my father was a herbal doctor, which was my stepfather that actually raised me. He passed away in 2005, and I buried him one day before my birthday. I was too small to help carry, so I was just, so in Afrikaans we call it a sleepdraer. I was a very empathetic child. I had a lot of empathy for my grandmother and my mother, and I was never like my other siblings. I never gave my grandmother or my mother any trouble because I was the only child that did entrepreneur work with them. So I knew and I saw how hard they worked to give us the best in life, BMX, and all those type of things that we always like to do because we used to do rollerblades together and ride BMX together and play sports together and all of those type of things. So we were close-knit family and reached to middle class and then all of a sudden poor. So the fun fact is people always expect a child to be a rebellion who is an addict. They see a person who's an addict as a rebellion. I was never in a rebellion. When my grandmother and my mother couldn't afford something or couldn't buy me something in the shop, I did understand and I never threw a tantrum and I waited patiently. So yeah, sometimes life is full of surprises, eh?